Best work is self-work. Sometimes people fool themselves. A lot of times people fool themselves. Like they're not really serious, and so they are delusional because they don't really have a real goal. A lot of people in the music industry or whatever business, they'll say, yeah, I got a business, but they're not putting any time in their business. They're putting so much time in their job or work, or even when they're not working their job, they're hanging out, they're hanging with people that don't really want to see the goal come through with their business, whether it's music, whether it's the business you started, whatever. So you're delusional because you don't really even have a real goal. Like you don't have even a business plan. You don't have no structure. You don't have anything. You'll never achieve anything without something. So the something you have to do is you have to identify what you want and make a plan to get there. You know, people say, well, how long should I keep going? I say, what work have you done? You know, I help people get in business, and you know, I help them get a business license, or they set up a company structure, whether it's a corporation, LLC, and you know, but that's just the beginning. Like the work, like you started. You know, we're taking the first step because we overcame the fear, but we got to put in work. So we got to get this plan, and we got to write things down, and we got to keep moving on it. If you've done that beginning part, 3 months goes by and you haven't done anything else, you're delusional. You're not committed to this dream. You know, you're just wishing on a star. People say, well, when should I stop? My thing is, did you really start? So we got to be real with ourselves and say, is this something I really want? If it's something you really want, then you're going to have to sacrifice things. If you're not willing to sacrifice something to get what you really want, then you don't really want it.